Hello all, it's I, the Deep Diver, and I just put out a video of the Emperor versus the Explorer mindset, where I kind of go into the idea in my book, Don't Become Prey, about the Emperor versus the Explorer mindset and why everybody has an ego and how that can't be sustainable. Not everybody's an island or a country or a nation, but man, you could have fooled me sometimes, I'm not going to lie with you. I too have my egotistical problems. I'm human. We're one of the few creatures in this world that desires conquering and overtaking and overpowering others by any means necessary. Whereas in nature, they kind of just live. But you see, the main thing I want to get at is get to biology. It's two parts for both the Explorer and the Emperor. The Emperor is situated in the ego, the brain, the mind. Okay? It directs it that it deserves better, that it wants more, that it needs more. And the Emperor it comes to a negative feedback loop. They want more, they need more, and they just take it. It's not good, not being checked, not being put into power. It's the least thing they want is accountability and responsibility, which is the two-pronged spear that'll end nearly any villain outright. And again, egotistical problems. Mental health issues are very high up there these days. Very high for, again, a number of reasons. And the brain suffers. A quote I'd like to bring out is, "Battle is in the body, war is in the mind." And some people go to war with everybody. And again, some people are so broken, so torn asunder, that the hole in their heart and their soul isn't need to feel other things, but to swallow everything up. Misery loves company. Misery also loves absolution and hopelessness, which an emperor who is not doing their duties or not sacrificing for their job will soon find out. It starves them. Now, the Explorer part is the vagus nerve, which is basically the tree trunk of the system for rest and digest, the sympathetic nervous system, where it's rest and digest instead of fight or flight, which are both autonomous, natural reflexes, responses, what have you, to normal stimuli. But the vagus nerve is for rest and relaxation. And I believe it's very weak. Do not people resting or relaxing, always being on call, always being somewhere, always doing something. And it just withers and dies. And again, the vagus nerve goes through the whole body. My dog has a vagus nerve. You have a vagus nerve. It helps us relax and putting pressure on it. Good pressure. There's a difference. It's subtle, but it's there. And I believe everybody's vagus nerve is either dysfunctional or doesn't function due to, again, being that constant, annoyed, stressed out lifestyle. And it can wreak havoc. Anything can set you off at that point, and it's not good. So what I'm going to probably be doing is also some vagal tone exercises, which is toning the muscle, which, as a smooth muscle, the vagus nerve needs, to work. It needs to move. And I think the dying of the vagus nerve, the downfall of the vagus nerve in people, is a sign that empathy is dying too. I can see somebody in pain, but things like the vagus nerve help me empathize with them. And I don't know. Maybe people just can't do that anymore. Maybe they're incapable. I don't know. Hoping to be wrong about that, but we'll find out. I hope everybody can keep their vagal tone strong, and that's what the biological connection was. So thank you, and have a nice day.